Then look at what's called patch, then delete. Then look at patch. That's called half dot patch. Maybe product also same part but different posts. Products was like the ID, because I'm talking to a specific ID, not everything, not doing everything. I'm talking to a specific ID. I have this parenthesis which is Eric, then place async, then return that. Let me return now, just stop here. So let's have this also here. So now for patch, we're going to have this, which is let's have this, which is let us say let's have so let's first of all have the two. If I say final, is it final? Then you can use the data type, which is string. I say final over, then say like ava is equal to await reg dot param according to the ID. Okay, sorry. So the outer bar again, body is equal to await reg that's JSON. Now, okay, so then what I'm going to do now is that I want to have I want to update based on what I have. So first thing I need to do is to actually like first of all get my data, the data that I have, then update data based on what I have, what I want users to actually put into it. So I want to say that list of products. So we're going to have the same thing, the final update of bar. Data equal to list dot index where the ID index. Yes, ID index. So I'm not going to call it data, I want to call it index, so I can use data word data. Call it index. Index where products according to the ID. So according to the ID. So but this ID is not what I want to check. I want according to the ID is equal to. So if it is equal to int dot pass. I'm not going to say that the ID that I put here is $sign ID. So then what are we going to do? Then I have the index already. So what I need to do is to say that body dot, I want to say for each. What happens is I want to look to the body and check the kind of key that is there. Then for each, which is going to be a key and value is called a value. Now, can you see inside my body now? What I'm saying now is that I'm going to be updating my list. Now I can just first of all say data. This is data like this. Data, and then I want to use data. Is var data is equal to list dot what according to the index. So now I'm going to update my data now. I say data according to the key, which is key, is actually equal to the value. So when I'm done, I'm going to now say that okay, list. So when I'm done, I actually have my data outside, so I want to be very fair. But I want to create a data that is nothing from start, then data update it with my, we say the list according to the index is now equal to, after you're done like updating we're done with the loop, equal to data So now I've updated the basic thing that is currently there. Now if I come back here, if I say response, return, which is now to return, I'm going to also use this the same thing like this. So now I'm going to say updated successfully, then the body. Okay. For the database, that's why I want to be sure that it's updated. Okay. So let's see if this update. So I'm going to copy this duplicate. Then I'm going to change this name to update with update to then. So then I'm going to have this. I'm going to change this guy to patch. Now if you look at it here, I get my get request. The 2 is iPhone 9. So the second one, I don't want to update the price. I want to change the number to iPhone 100. So the price is not changing. Oh, error. This 404. It means that this guy does not exist. So let me see why. Patch the product. The product. Let me see. Products then it exists. It exists. So let me go back. Maybe I have not saved it. So yeah, it exists. Let me just cut it again. Okay, let me cut it again. Let's also say that it does not exist. Patch. Okay, let me see. I don't know why it's saying not exist. Not exist. So let's look at this. Let's come back here and say that we have okay, someone is connected. Not exist again. Does it exist? This exists. Allow a type of non is not subtitle of ma. So let's see what we while I have this error now. So if you check your code like this, if you check your code, understand what's happening now. It's because we are creating a local variable. That's why it's not seen as a variable that is updating. So the reason why it's seen as non-local because this guy is a global variable and this is a local variable, and we create a new variable. That's why we see that. So just need to create the var, remove the var that is there. Then it's going to work. So let's see. So I go to come here and press enter. Let's see, it's updated. Then it's patch. Sorry, this should be put. This one should be patch. Patch. So I've gotten it. I got it. So it is 150 currently. So I will just start my server. So I may check it very well. So I will start my server like this. Okay, I will start my server like this. So my server is started. Server, let me try to get it. I get it. I have iPhone 7 or 2 or 2 is iPhone 9, and this is if I try to update it like this now to create a new one, it give us 4. Let's update it with patch now. Let's send it now. And see the data is still price is still 100. No, as before it's still 100. But now if you look at it here, if I try to get it, the 2 is still 100. But now if I remove this guy from here, you know, just say to compare the puts and parts together. But not here. To update and the put here. If I remove it like this, if I update this, and if you go back to get like this, and you said the price is not there because it updates everything, updates everything that's inside of your application. And patch will just patch the one that is a met here. And but in the patch, now even if it's not there in patch, I can add it back to it by saying price, then I will have what's called. So this, if I send it, if I come back to get, I'm going to say there. You can see that was the power of patch for you. So, and that is the 4 basic data that we need to learn. That's the 4 basic requests that we need to learn. So we will continue later.